Welcome to 85 South Fork Trail in Lake Toxaway, North Carolina. Nestled near the breathtaking Pisgah National Forest, the vibrant community of Lake Toxaway, and the quaint town of Brevard, North Carolina. This home offers the ultimate blend of mountain tranquility and small town charm. Explore hiking trails, waterfalls, and local attractions just moments away.
I've lived in Whisper Hills for about a month. It's been great. Whisper Hills is about halfway between Lake Toxaway and Brevard, downtown Brevard. So you have the beauty of Pisgah National Forest, but you're also really close to downtown, shopping, restaurants. So one of the reasons I love this location, living at Whisper Hills, is that it's not a windy, down the mountain kind of drive. It's a straight shot to downtown Brevard. I can be out the door and downtown Brevard in less than 15 minutes, which is great. I love Brevard. It's very different from where I came from. It's a small town, but it's really great. We see my son's teachers when we go out. We see people that we know. I wasn't sure how I would feel about living in a small town, but I actually really like it. It's very friendly.
Step into a modern oasis filled with light and open spaces. This single home boasts sleek design features, large windows, and an airy ambiance, creating a contemporary haven perfect for a mountain retreat.
My husband and I are designers, and we love modern architecture, and the windows here. I never imagined I would have so much natural light and so many windows. It's really incredible. And to be able to look outside, see the mountains and the trees from almost any angle is really great. It makes me feel like I'm on vacation. To be in this space where it really fits us, we can all, there's space to gather, there's space to get away from each other. It fits us so well that just like a dream, honestly. We're so happy to be here. We can't believe it actually happened. It's real. I love it. It's been great.
Enjoy the quiet serenity of nature in the secluded community of Whisper Hills. Surrounded by lush forest and bordered by a trout stream, you'll find solace from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Whisper Hills is a passion project created to bring inspiring architecture that transitions the balance between home and the natural environment. Schedule your showing today.